It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 13th of December. A beautiful day across Alabama today. Looks like we stay dry through Friday, and then rain chances will come back about the time the weekend arrives. Let's talk about it. This is the upper air look, and we have ridging beginning to develop over the eastern states and a big trough coming into the western U.S., and that's going to produce a lot of rain and snow there. Visible satellite view, a clear sky statewide, except for southern Mobile and Baldwin counties south of Interstate 10. Some clouds there, but the rest of the state with blue sky and sunshine today. And what a warm-up. Some spots were in the 20s this morning. We've got readings mostly in the low 60s this afternoon. Birmingham at 60. There's the watch warning map. We have a high wind watch for much of the midsection. We've also got winter storm warnings in effect for many of the western states with a big trough coming in and flash flood watches for some of the low elevations as well. There's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Some thunder possible for the northern two-thirds of California and up the northern Pacific coast. Also a chance of thunder on the east coast of Florida. Tomorrow, some thunder in places like Las Vegas, a possibility. Also a chance of thunder for parts of South Florida. And day 3, a marginal risk has been introduced for Wednesday for parts of Iowa and some of the adjacent states with that trough lifting out. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Some really big numbers out west and some huge mountain snows. The Sierra Nevadas will be measuring snow in terms of feet instead of inches. Here in the deep south, the heavier rains north and west of Alabama. For most of North Alabama, rain amounts between 1/2 and 1 inch. Under 1/2 inch for the southern counties of the state, and this is valid through Monday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Big trough in the west, ridge developing in the east, and again, a beautiful day. We start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the 60s. Lots of sun. This is Wednesday. The high close to 70. Again, the sky partly to mostly sunny. This is Thursday, a cold front north and west of the state. But the ridge will hold, and we're going to be dry and very mild, highs in the low to mid-70s. And the same thing on Friday, showers north of the state, maybe a shower near the Gulf Coast, but most of Alabama dry, partially sunny with a high, again, low to mid-70s. And this is Saturday. Moisture increases, the ridge weakens a bit, so we'll introduce the chance of showers. Not going to rain all day, but showers a definite possibility, and there might be some thunder for the southern half of the state. This is suggesting the air will be unstable up to about Interstate 20. At the moment, it doesn't look like a severe weather setup with very limited dynamic support. Sunday, the latest GFS kind of backing off of the idea of showers. We'll certainly mention showers on Sunday, but the day will be cloudy, cooler. Highs likely go back in the 50s, and again, rain certainly possible at times during the day. And then Monday, a trough coming in and more rain likely. With a cold front, Monday will be in the 50s with rain falling much of the day if this verifies. So again, in that Saturday, Sunday, Monday time frame, the weather looking a bit unsettled in there. But for now, we're not expecting any severe storms. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, December 23rd, Christmas Eve. Got broad troughing to the west, and that looks pretty quiet. Maybe a few showers near the Gulf Coast. A lot of snow in parts of the northern and northwestern states for travelers there. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 28th of December. Temperatures hitting the 70s again Thursday and Friday. Then the numbers come down, 60s Saturday, 50s on Sunday, Monday, and through much of next week with lows in the 30s. And really much of next week at this point looks seasonal. However, the CPC outlook continues to show above average temperatures for the period December 21 through December 27. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.